Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself squinting at small boxes or cramped text in Google Sheets, today's video is just what you need. I'm going to show you two simple but super effective ways to make those boxes, or more accurately, cells, bigger in Google Sheets. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know exactly how to make your spreadsheet much easier to read and way more organized, whether you're working on a budget, a class project, or anything in between. Let's jump right in. The first method is all about making the text inside your cell larger, which in turn makes the whole cell look bigger and stand out. So start by typing a word or any piece of data into a cell. Now maybe you've tried adjusting the cell before, but the text still looks tiny. Right here, what you do, click directly on the cell to select it, then head up to the toolbar at the top of Google Sheets. You'll see an option labeled Font Size. It's that little number next to the font style. Go ahead and click that and you'll see a drop-down with different sizes. Pick a larger number, say 18 or even 24, depending on how much you want to emphasize your text. Instantly, you'll notice the word gets much bigger and the cell itself actually stretches a bit to fit the larger font. This is a super handy trick if you want to make a header or a certain piece of info really pop without changing the size of every box on the sheet. Now let's talk about the second method, which gives you even more control over the size of your boxes. Sometimes just making the text bigger isn't enough, especially if you want to add more data or make the entire section more spacious for visual clarity. This time, instead of playing with font size, you'll be adjusting the actual dimensions of your columns and rows. Here, how to do it: move your cursor up to the very top where the column letters are, like A, B, C, or over to the row numbers on the left side. If you hover right on the edge between two columns, your cursor will turn into a double-sided arrow. That's your cue. Just click, hold, and drag to the right to make the column wider. If you want a row to be taller for more breathing space, do the exact same thing, but on the line between row numbers, click and drag downward. You'll see the boxes expand in real time. Don't worry if the boxes look too big at first. It's easy to readjust by dragging them back. And if you're working with a ton of info, you can select multiple columns or rows at once and resize them together to keep everything nice and even. It's honestly a bit like stretching out a piece of paper so you have more room to write, or making sure a box is big enough to fit all your supplies. Sometimes you might notice your content still looks off-center after resizing. Here's a quick bonus tip. You can center your text both vertically and horizontally using the alignment tools in the toolbar for an even cleaner look. It's the little things that make your spreadsheets go from just functional to really professional looking. Alright, that's all there is to it. Adjusting cell size in Google Sheets is quick and makes a world of difference in readability and style. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or want to see more Google Sheets tricks, drop a comment below. I love hearing what you need help with next. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.